guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara and today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look using warm brown colors. This is the final look right here, and specifically I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty Warm Browns Obsession palette. And just as a disclaimer, I'm not a beauty guru, I'm just an everyday girl trying to do her makeup. So, you know, oh, hi. Hey. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into this and start this makeup process. I'm first gonna start with this Glam Glow Glow Starter primer. It's more of like an illuminating moisturizer. It gives your skin a natural glow, which I'm all into the glow, you know? At this point, I already washed my face this morning. I put my moisturizer, I put my facial sunscreen, which is very important. If you're not doing it now, you should do it. The next thing, I'm gonna go in with this Tarte BB cream right here. So this is my primer that I use. It's oil-free and I really like it because it's just very subtle and it helps my makeup stay all day. Ooh, shit. That went all over my laptop. All right. Is it gross if I just use this for my lap? No, this stuff is expensive. I am going to salvage it. I also really like wearing this stuff if I'm just gonna go to the gym and I just want like a bit of more evenness of my skin tone. So as you can see, like I have freckles, I have this red broken blood vessel right there, which is kind of annoying. That thing is like impossible to cover up. And I have acne, but you know what? It's okay. I've learned to love it, live with it. It's all good. Next, we're gonna move on to the foundation. So I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. The color that I use is Desert Beige, but I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this is a bit light for my skin at the moment. I just love the way it covers everything. It's like a medium to full coverage, depending on how much you put on. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I actually tried recording this video yesterday. I didn't really like the way it turned out. So you know what? At first I was really mad because I was like, I wasted my time recording myself, setting everything up. But at the end of the day, I was just like, I do my makeup every day. So if I record this another time, it's really not the end of the world. All right, so that's the foundation. Next, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I kinda wanna try a better one, but for now, I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It actually does a pretty good job and it's not that expensive, which is what I like about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all that in. After that, I'm gonna use this Least Watch Day powder. I don't know what it's called, but I really like it and I like how it kind of just sets all the foundation and product that I just put on. I'm just gonna apply that all over my face and my neck. And just to finish off my face and the under eye area, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. It does such a nice job of blending everything, and I really like it for underneath the eyes because it makes them look smooth, it brightens them. It's just like, ugh, it's such a good product. All right, and that's the face. The face is done. Oh, before I forget, actually, I always like doing this at the beginning of my makeup. Just putting on some lip balm. This is just some Burt's Bees lip balm. Okay, so I'm gonna go and do some bronzer contour right now. So for the contour, I use the Smashbox palette. It's just a really simple palette. So I'm gonna use this big flat brush right here and just apply it along my cheekbone to give myself the illusion that, you know, I actually have cheekbones. And then I'm also just gonna apply it on the upper area of my forehead by my hairline. And then also a bit around my neck, or not my neck, but my jawline. And I already like that helps make my foundation look a bit darker than it is. Where's my brush? So just to finish off the contour process, I'm gonna use this brush right here. It's a Sephora brush, it has a contour and a highlighting end. For the contour, we're gonna go in with the warmer color right here and just fill it in. And then what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go with the lighter color right here and just kind of clean it up a bit at the bottoms. Alrighty, that's that. I'm gonna do blush later, but I just wanna get a bit of color on my face so I don't look so pale. Next, we're gonna do eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I use the NYX Brow Mascara. This color is brunette, and I really like it because I find it helps give my brows a more natural look. Just to finish off my brows, I'm gonna use this NYX eyebrow pencil. This is also in the color brunette, and go in to fill the area at the bottom slash like at the top right here because I feel like I don't have a lot of hairs there. So I want to make it a bit more full and just do gentle light strokes. All right, I think that's good. And then I'm just gonna use the little brush applicator that's at the end of the pencil to blend it all out. And those are the brows. Next is I'm gonna do eyes. I'm gonna use the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish eyeshadow primer. I absolutely love this stuff just because I feel like this stuff really helps your eyeshadow stay, slash it brings out the pigment in your eyeshadow. So the first thing that I always do, I use this Lancome kind of like as a highlighter base. This color is called Honeymoon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over my eyelid. All right, so like I said in this video, we're gonna create a warm brown fall look. So to use that, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette right here. It's called Warm Brown Obsessions. Me, a year ago, I would have never bought something like this. Like, even though it's warm browns, as you can see, there's like reds and oranges and dark purples, and I'm like, that's not me. I just usually use natural brown colors, but I was like, I'm gonna give this a whirl. So I'm gonna first start with this light brown color right here. I'm using this flat brush, and I'm just gonna put it on the outside of my crease, or like on the outside here, and then in my crease. And this color is actually a color that I use every single day. It's my go-to everyday makeup, because when I go to work, I usually, in terms of my eyes, I would not put on this much makeup. So after I use that light brown, I'm actually gonna go in with this orange color right here and focus more on putting it on the outside area and a bit in my crease, I guess. If you're looking at me and you're like, wow, this girl is like whack at doing makeup, I'm just like an everyday girl trying to do her makeup, you know? Like, I'm not a beauty guru by any means. I just kind of want to show, I guess, like me doing my makeup. So on my Instagram, like, a lot of you mentioned how you were interested in learning more about the beauty products that I use on a daily basis. So that's why I'm making this video. And even though like this video is like a warm brown fall look, the steps that I'm doing with my foundation, with my eyebrows, that's what I do for like my makeup every single day. Honestly, the only thing that really changes is the color palette. I think I'm gonna use this dark red color right here. This is looking kind of wild, but I feel like it's gonna look good in the end, okay? And then the red color, again, we're just gonna focus on the outside area. And I think I'm just gonna put like a bit right here of that red color. Yeah, just a very subtle bit of red. So next, I have this brush from Sephora. It's called a Pro Blending Brush. So guess what we're gonna do with it? We're gonna blend. So I'm just gonna take everything that I just did and kind of blend it outwards. And just before I'm done the shadow, I'm gonna go in with this nice gold color, and I'm gonna actually use my finger. And like, I usually never use my finger for my eyes, but I feel like in this situation it's appropriate. So I'm just gonna dab some on my finger and then lightly tap it on the outer area and on the upper area of my eyelid. This look has me so excited for fall. Like, honestly, usually I'm a summer baby. I'm born in the summertime. I love the heat. I love being tan. But I don't know, this year I just feel like I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for the seasons to change. I'm ready to get my pumpkin spice latte, which I already have. I'm just gonna take my sponge and go up in a diagonal motion just to clean up any bit that kind of spilled or fell over while I was doing my eyes. Next, I'm gonna do eyeliner. I use the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner. I am obsessed with this. It literally stays all day. It's amazing. The pigment doesn't fade. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and do like a little winged liner. Okay, I think that's good. Winged liner, even though I've been doing it for years, it always stresses me out. I just need all my concentration when I do winged liner. Like, if someone's trying to talk to me, I'm like, psh. All right, I think that actually went pretty well. Your winged liner is never gonna kind of look the same on both sides unless you're like a professional makeup artist. But for an everyday girl doing makeup, my motto is, your winged liner, they're not gonna be twins, they're gonna be sisters. So they're not gonna look exactly like, but close enough is still acceptable, you know? Today, like, I'm actually really happy. They both look pretty similar. So for my mascara, I'm gonna use this YSL. I'm gonna use the primer and the curler mascara combo, and I got these to promote actually, but I am obsessed with this mascara combo. I find that this primer, as you can see, it kind of goes on light, but it really helps make your lashes look longer, and it gives it more volume. And then I'm gonna go in with the mascara. And like I said, I got these to promote, but I am obsessed with them that like once I'm out, I'm probably just gonna go out and buy it myself. That's good, except I got a little bit on the side right there. You can usually just go in with your brush and blend it out, and it just magically disappears. It's great. I'm actually just gonna go and quickly do the bottom of my lashes. And I'm gonna be honest, doing my eyes today actually went a lot better than when I tried doing my eyes yesterday and I tried filming this yesterday. So I'm really happy. Okay, so now that my eyes are all done, I am going to finish off with the blush. I'm gonna use this brush right here and go in with this Sephora blush palette that I got during the sale. I almost thought I was gonna return this when I first bought it because I didn't really like it, but surprisingly the colors are pretty pigmented once they go on. So, and it wasn't that expensive, so I'm gonna keep it. Oh, and just to show you, so I'm gonna use this pinky color right up here. I'm just gonna do upward strokes. All right, I think I'm happy with that. Next, we're gonna make this face glow even more. So I have this Becca highlighter right here. This color is Opal. And this Becca highlighter in general is amazing. It's so pigmented. Oh yeah, look at that baby glow. I lied when I said I was done with my eyes. I'm not. I'm actually gonna use a bit of highlighter on my brow bone. And what I'm gonna do, I sometimes contour my nose, but not for my everyday makeup. But I saw this beauty blogger, she's like, if you just put a bit of bronzer down the middle of your nose, like where you would put your highlighter, it helps make it look contoured. I don't know, we're gonna try it out. I don't know about this. I'm gonna blend it. I don't know, did it make a difference? Oh well, we did it. And then I'm just gonna finish off with the highlighter and put it down my nose, at the tip of my nose right here, and then above the lip area. I'm gonna go in and do my lips now. I'm gonna use this Lise Watier lip pencil. This color is called Pain de Piste. So for the lip color, I'm gonna go in with this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. I actually really love this, and I'm really sad that you can't get these in Canada. You can only get them at Ulta Beauty in the States. All right. I'm so excited that we're almost done. And then just to finish off my lips, actually what I'm gonna do before I finish off my lips, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray and just spray it all over my face. This stuff is also amazing if you want your makeup to stay all day. And I'm gonna let that dry. At first it goes on really glowy, but it actually dries matte once it's set. And then finally for my lips, I'm just gonna go on with this Too Faced Lip Injections lip gloss. It burns your lips a bit, but it gives it a nice natural plump, which I'm here for. You know what, like every time I put on lip gloss, I always think of that song Lip Gloss by Lil Mama. Like what happened to her, you know? She was kind of like a one-hit wonder type thing. She had that one song Lip Gloss, which was poppin'. And I don't know, we just don't hear about her anymore. Like, I hope she's doing okay. I'm actually gonna do this really quick because I realized yesterday I had lipstick on my teeth when I was trying to record my outro, so. Saw that on Tyra Banks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me do my makeup. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I know I really haven't been active, but I'm really gonna put an effort to try to be more active and post more videos on my channel. And if you wanna see more videos like this, let me know. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.